Well, hello, fellow Signal fans. This is W Signal GLA from Los Angeles, California. As you guys know, I've been working on my first Signal project, which is this Econolite short groove. And you all may have seen the last video I posted. And I wanted to do this one as a follow-up to that one because since the West Coast Signal meet, which was last weekend, I have acquired some more equipment that I have put on the Signal, and the most noticeable thing you'll see is that it now has a backplate. Originally, in the original video that I posted, there was no backplate, and now that the backplate is on there, it actually gives it a much fuller look and a very California look as well. When I got the backplate from Kevin, LA Signals, it was showing the primer at various places on the back plate, so it needed a paint job most definitely, and I gave it that, giving it 2 coats of Rust-Oleum black, which gives it that kind of gloss look. And I know that most of you have said that gloss look will go away as it stays out in the elements, and it'll give it that more worn feeling. The last time you folks saw this Signal, it was missing the back plate, as I have said, but also take a look right here. The last time you saw it, it had only one street sign, and that was the Downey Road street sign. I've added another sign on the back, this sign for Colima Road. This was also an acquisition I picked up from Kevin at the West Coast Signal meet, and I put it on this particular pole because it matched both signs, and it looks really good. Also, not just because it matched, but the size of the sign actually fits, because this pole is mounted relatively close to this wall right here that you can see. A larger sign would have to be put in at an angle and wouldn't look nearly as good, but this one looks really good. Now, since we're back here, and I'm going to try to avoid the sun, you can see that the back of the back plate has been painted, or maybe you can't in the sunlight, but the back of the back plate has been painted. It's been painted black, and that's a little bit contrary to the back of the Signal head, which is green, but it makes a nice two-tone design. Let's take a look down here. This is something you guys have never seen before up to this point. I mounted this Signal up, and you'll know that I asked you fellows, what did you think I should do? I wanted it to be a temporary but movable setup, but I actually made it more semi-permanent. This is the bolts are mounted in cement, which are poured into a bucket, and I bought the bucket at the hardware store, and basically poured the cement in it, put the bolts in using a template, and then I dug a hole and moved the whole bucket into that opening in the earth. So once it was secured, I then put the Signal up. You'll see that the power is running from a power cord coming out of the side of the Signal pole right there. At some point I'm going to make a more permanent electrical feed here, but it's good for what we've got now. Moving up the pole, we've got the push button, which doesn't work at this time, but it's a nice sight. And then, as you move up, you've got the Signal head itself. And as I showed you last time, this Signal can do just about everything. It can go into flash mode for flash red, flash yellow. It can even do a beacon type setup, or a beacon type flash mode where it flashes between yellow and red. But as you can see here, what we have here is just the basic cycling session, and there you have it. So this is my setup, and it looks like it's pretty much done. Also, before you guys start asking me, this Signal right here, it's on a short pole that I got from Nabil, and I mounted it on this short pole and will be mounting it up soon. It is a 16-inch ICC PED head, and it has the wording, "Don't walk, walk." This is not a hand manned, this is actually worded. So that one will be the next one to go up. And over here, probably in this area someplace, will be the mechanical cop I also picked up from Kevin. So there you have it. Everything is in place and everything looks good. So let me know what you guys think. I really like it. So thanks again, guys in the Signalfan family. We'll talk to you soon.